Hi everybody. Put some orange paint on the case lawnmower. Somebody said they wanted to see it done. Well, it's pretty much done. I've got everything on it except for the motor. Well, I need to put the hood on it. It's pretty shiny. I guess that's what we was looking for. Next, I want to put the motor on it. For obvious reasons, since this little cooling oil cooler on the front here, I lifted it up with some bungee straps. I unbolted it from the frame and it's right out of the way. So this is a perfect time to put the motor in it, I think. That's my friend's lawnmower. I'm really just being really friendly helping him out with this, and I like to tinker on stuff. So I did him a really big favor. He does me big favors too. He's got lots of equipment. God helped me out with anything I needed. Anyway, it's always good to be friendly. If you want friends, you gotta be friendly. So, kind of scratching his back on this. I like working on this kind of stuff though. That was a lot of work though. More than I really bargained for, really. This sticker on here, this lawnmower from the 70s, and it's like 30 years old. And the sticker is pretty much on its way out. I don't know how you could put a new sticker on it, because all these controls are in the way. They put that sticker on there before they ever assembled it. So that's the way it's gonna be. Just like that. I don't think there's gonna be putting any new sticker on it. I think we're gonna get a new decal for the hood though. It says 446, I think. Case. Oh, that looks real soft. I like it. It's pretty slick. Anyway, whenever I get the motor in it, I'll do another update. And anyway, it's not perfect. I had a couple runs, but it's good enough. It's just a lawnmower. Thanks for watching.